Vinlings, so I will show you how I made my pet carrier. Since I don't have enough money, I will be using different things at home. Along with the box, I also have this piece which is from the drawer that we are not using. First, let us make sure that they are of the same size. Perfect! This will be the outline of our final outline. Next, we will make the topmost part more sturdy by overlaying it with another cardboard. Just like that. And now, I will make a hole on the back portion of the box for ventilation and passage of light. There you go. I just covered it with a screen and layered it with another cardboard. And this is how it looks. I will just tape it just to make sure it won't move when I do the next step. Now, I will make the opening by removing that part of the box. There, and I kept the removed portion for making the door. And now I already have cut portions of linens measured with the measurements of my pet carrier. This will be for the bottom and the back part. This is for the 3 long sides. And you can see that I have sewn the half side of a zipper here. This will be for the opening, and I also attached the remaining half of the zipper on its corner. Lastly, we have this belt-like cloth for a little design. So I am just going to sew them together.